All right. We are headed to Idaho, to Kellogg, Idaho, for Silver King Hard Enduro race series. And we originally were going to ride motos, but a couple buddies bailed out last minute, so we ended up switching gears and bringing the Taj Mahal. And so we loaded our dual sports up, or my dual sport is loaded. And Chase has got his dirt bike, 2-stroke, and big booty Judy. And you can tell she's big booty Judy because would you just look at it? But yeah, we are about to take off for several days, watch the Hard Enduro, catch some fish, camp, enjoy a bevy, see what happens.
Should be a good time.
All right, tell us about the day, bud.
Just been driving.
Driving her wild?
Yeah, driving all the way from Montana over here to Kellogg, Idaho. Gonna hit the Silver King Enduro.
We just found a sick camp spot, like
100 yards.
100 yards down the street from the actual event. As long as our truck's not towed by the time we come back.
Nope.
So, yeah, I think we're set up good. This will be a good time.
I think we're good because we're already set up.
Yeah.
It looks like we've been here all day.
I don't know if you noticed, but the parking lot is full over there. Brad?
Yeah.
The old donkey life. Here we go. Chase her down, Chase. All right, day 2. It's Friday. It's actually day 3 for the Silver Kings, but we didn't come down for the opening ceremonies Wednesday night. So for us, day 2, we're headed to the gondola. We're gonna move up the mountain and check out the open course. And from what I hear, it's pretty gnarly. It's fun to watch. There's some rock gardens and some sections to check out the carnage and maybe scout it out for a future rip. Wrap. Yeah, buddy. Cruising up the old gondolas.
Gonna go watch some carnage. Watch people get sendy.
They're gonna get rappy. But we left Kellogg, jumped in the gondola, heading up to Silver Mountain, and it's a pretty gnarly, sick little gondola ride. How long is it, Chase?
3.1 miles, is that?
3.1. Clean your chimneys. That's right. Clean that chimney. Pipe cleaner. Last day of Silver Kings Hard Enduro. We are gearing up. We're going to spend the afternoon on the mountain and watch the pro class go at 1:30. And they're actually doing a shotgun start for full gas hill, and it's gnarly. So we're going to be there for that. It's like 10 o'clock, 11. And we're gonna hit the mountain. Was that our buddy Matt? Nope. Packed hill. Yo, Chaser. You got a big old pickle in your mouth. Fitting.
I'm not gonna judge. Oh wow. Yeah. I know they just.
American rider to finish the race today. Bike is making some weird noises.
What a day. That was the most insane dirt biking I've ever seen in my life. Well, we made it back down to town. Old Caleb gave us a ride, which was sick. And now we're gonna go rinse off in the creek because I don't have my shower system working in my slide-in. So we're gonna go wash the dust off our eyelids and go watch the award ceremony here in a minute. You, what do you think there, buddy?
I need this bath.
Yeah, we both need this bath. Yeah.
But it was sick.
Old Judy got us to the river. Yee! Gotta take a left of the sock. There's a sock. Take a hard Louie. A Louie down the river. Oh, that actually was the right choice for the night. It made the day. We have plenty of time. We're not in a hurry tonight. Yesterday we were going fast and hard, and we jumped in here with like a cannonball speed and with like 7 minutes to get to the river, rinse, and get downtown for the events. But tonight we had plenty of time, and now we're just kind of chilling. It feels really good to relax.
It's needed.
Much needed. Yeah. Well, that's a wrap. It was a good time. Loaded up to head back to Kalispell. This is the old village activities. Looks like somebody burned the lawn up. But lots of work on the course still to do. But we had a great time. We're gonna grab a cup of coffee and hit the road. Split up, and gorgeous day to head out.